Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If you are constantly receiving spam calls, marketing emails, or weird texts, your personal information is likely being leaked through hidden settings on your phone. I will show you exactly how to deactivate 3 specific tracking features to protect your name, address, and mobile number from scammers immediately. Let's get started. First, open your phone's main settings app. Scroll down and tap on the Google menu, then select the All Services tab at the top. Find the option labeled Phone Number Sharing and toggle the switch to the off position. This step is crucial because when this is active, your number can be shared with third-party services and apps automatically, giving scammers a direct line to your device. Next, open your mobile web browser and tap the 3 dots in the corner to open Settings. Look for the section labeled Addresses and More. Simply uncheck or toggle off the switch to stop the browser from saving and sharing your physical address. If you don't see it in this section, then check under the Autofill or Privacy menu to ensure your personal location data isn't being stored for marketing sites to grab. Finally, go back to your main settings and type Permission Manager into the search bar. Tap on Permission Manager and review categories like Contacts or Location. Look for apps that shouldn't have access to your details, like your calendar or random games, and select Don't Allow. If you disable a permission by accident, don't worry, your phone will simply prompt you to activate it again the next time that specific app actually needs it. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.